In 2025, over 55,000 tech jobs were cut specifically because of AI, 12 times more than the year before. Wall Street banks are planning to remove 200,000 positions in the next few years. But at the same time, AI engineer roles grew 143%. And job titles that didn't exist 3 years ago are now paying six figures. So what's actually happening? Are we losing jobs, gaining them, or both? Let's decode it. Every major technology shift in history has reshuffled the job market. The steam engine eliminated hand-loom weavers, but created factory managers. The internet wiped out travel agents and video stores, but created web developers and an entire digital economy that now employs hundreds of millions. The pattern is remarkably consistent. Old tasks get automated, new tasks get created, and the net number of jobs goes up. But the skills required change completely. AI is following the exact same pattern. The question isn't whether jobs will change. They already are. The question is how fast and who adapts. Here's what most people get wrong. AI doesn't replace jobs. It replaces tasks, and it's very specific about which ones. Repetitive, pattern-based, text-heavy tasks, data entry, first draft writing, scheduling, those are being absorbed fast. A recent study found that 93% of US jobs have at least some tasks that AI can perform. But almost none of those jobs are entirely automatable. The tasks that survive are the ones that require judgment, context, creativity, or genuine human connection. A nurse's empathy, a lawyer's courtroom instinct, a manager's ability to read a room. AI handles the spreadsheet, you handle the decision. Let's be specific about what's shrinking. Clerical and administrative roles are the most exposed. The World Economic Forum projects these will decline fastest through 2030. Entry-level positions in banking, legal document review, and basic bookkeeping are consolidating. Call centers are shifting heavily toward AI agents. In the first half of 2025 alone, nearly 78,000 tech jobs were directly tied to AI-driven layoffs, and 1 in 6 employers now expects AI to reduce headcount. This isn't a prediction, it's a payroll decision already being made. If your job consists mostly of processing information that follows clear rules, the pressure is real. But here's the other side. And it's bigger than most people realize. Entirely new job categories are emerging that didn't exist 3 years ago. AI trainers who teach models to be more accurate, prompt engineers who know how to communicate with AI systems effectively, AI ethics officers who ensure fairness. Prompt engineer roles alone grew 136% in the last year. AI engineer postings jumped 143%. Workers with advanced AI skills now earn 56% more. The World Economic Forum estimates 170 million new roles will be created by 2030, against 92 million displaced. The net is positive, but only if you're on the right side of the shift. This is the part nobody talks about enough. The divide isn't between humans and machines. It's between humans who learn to work with AI and humans who don't. Microsoft's 2026 Work Trend Index found that 58% of AI-using workers are producing work they couldn't have completed a year ago. Among advanced users, it's 80%. Meanwhile, companies are reorganizing, not by firing entire departments, but by shrinking teams. The work isn't gone. It's being done by fewer people, augmented by AI. So, what do you actually do? 4 things. First, learn the tools. You don't need to become an engineer, but you need working fluency with AI. Second, practice on your own work. Take a real task from your job and do it with AI. Measure the difference. Third, specialize where AI can't. Double down on creativity, complex problem solving, and interpersonal skills. And fourth, become a translator between technology and business. That skill is worth a career. The job landscape isn't collapsing. It's reshuffling. The same way it has with every major technology shift in history. Tasks will be automated. Roles will transform. New careers will appear that we can't fully imagine yet. The only constant is that the people who adapt early are the ones who thrive. AI isn't the end of work. It's the end of work as we knew it. Join us for the next episode where we decode AI's impact on education. Thanks for watching Decoded in 5.